Hello. Everything went really good working with Investor's Edge. At first, we had some hurdles to jump through. We didn't know everything about how their operation worked, but once we figured it out, everything was smooth and we got a deal done and closed, and everyone was really pleasant to work with. We really enjoyed Jerry, Lynn, and Dick are the two we've talked to the most. And we are already starting another one with them in just our brief time together. There were plenty of challenges during this project, mostly being snowstorms. So wintertime is not the most ideal to do these types of things, but we persevered and we got it done with we sold 15 over asking. Um, we learned just a lot about how to work with the company. It was our first time working with Investors Edge. We found some good people out on our part of the world to do some of the labor with us. Learned a lot and continue to learn all the time. Our experience was very good. We took our realtor's suggestion and listed way below what we thought it was worth, and we let the bidding war ensue, and we got 15 over asking within 24 hours. So we learned that that could be a good way to list properties. We made around 66,000, so divide that by two for two people, and we're using the money to put back into the business and do little fun things for ourselves, like maybe a dirt bike in our future.